A KashKick withdrawal stays pending for too long when payment processing is delayed by verification checks, incomplete offer validation, or standard payout queues that process requests in batches instead of instantly. By the end of this, you'll know why KashKick withdrawals get stuck on pending, how the payout system actually works, and the exact fixes that help speed things up or confirm if something is wrong. Start with what pending actually means. A pending withdrawal doesn't mean the money is gone or rejected. It usually means the request has been submitted, but hasn't finished verification or batch processing yet. First thing to check is whether your account is still under offer verification review. KashKick often waits to confirm that completed offers are valid before releasing funds. If any offer is still processing, the withdrawal can stay pending longer. Second fix is making sure your account details match exactly. Payment methods and account names need to align with your KashKick profile information, or the system can hold the payout for security review. Third fix is avoiding multiple withdrawal requests. Submitting more than one request can push your payout into a later processing cycle instead of speeding it up. Fourth fix is checking for account restrictions or flags. If your account has been marked for review due to suspicious activity or offer disputes, withdrawals are often paused until the review is complete. Fifth fix is confirming you've met all payout requirements. Some earnings only become eligible after specific offers fully clear, and partial completion can delay the entire balance. Now here's what actually matters when the pending status lasts longer than expected. Most delays are not permanent issues. They are processing queues combined with verification steps that haven't fully cleared yet. That means the system is waiting on validation, not ignoring your request. In rare cases, delays can happen when payment providers are experiencing backlog, which affects all users at once. So the key factor is whether your account is fully verified and your offers are fully confirmed. Summary: KashKick withdrawals stay pending due to offer verification, payment matching issues, account reviews, or normal processing queues. The system releases funds only after validation is complete. Pending status is usually temporary. Next step: check offer completion status, confirm your payment details, match your profile, and avoid submitting multiple withdrawal requests while the system processes your payout. Like and subscribe for more clear, no fluff fixes for apps that get stuck when their payment systems slow down.